one thing that starts right here at the beginning of the month in March is Venus retrograde. And I don't usually talk about Venus retrogrades, but this year we actually have two retrogrades. We have Venus retrograde and we have Mercury retrograde. But what's really striking here is that they're actually going over exactly the same territory in the human design mandala. Now, let's remember that Venus in human design is our values and our divine feminine energy. And Mercury is what we're here to talk about, what we're here to communicate about, kind of the qualities of our communication, and also potentially what we're here to share in a larger way, maybe of what we're here to teach about. So these two are really kind of dancing together in the same part of the sky, the same part of the astrological wheel, and the same part of the human design mandala. And they are going back and forth over this Pisces Aries transition point. So in this case, we might be asking things like, what conversations do we need to go back to? What conversations might need to be completed or opened up again because it didn't really go right the first time? That's part of the Mercury retrograde, right? Is to be thinking about these conversations that maybe need to be done again. And then with Venus, it's like, okay, how are our values playing into how we're experiencing the energies of different gates? And are we bringing in the divine feminine values, right? Compassion, caring, beauty, embodiment, expansiveness, right? The sense that we're in this together, we're supportive for each other, right? These are divine feminine energies. And so we want to be going back through these gates kind of with that orientation. And this is another time to be really looking at your spiritual life. Are you paying attention to your spiritual growth? Are you taking care of that? Are you bringing your values of caring and compassion and oneness, right? So unity consciousness to your way of being and the way that you're experiencing your spiritual life? Are you helping to steward your own resources in your own life, in your family, in your communities, in our world, right? And are you in a positive state of anticipation about what can happen?